Voyagers.
Welcome, Voyagers. We look at you, they're all cheesy. I'm Tanya.
I'm Derek.
We do van life in a wheelchair with 2 dogs because
Life is too short to sit at home.
I bet you're wondering what in the world are the Voyagers.
Voyagers! Let's ride! Woo! That's a Young Guns reference if you didn't get it.
If you're wondering what you will get by being a member of this channel,
Oh boy.
oh boy, are you in for something. We don't know if it's good or bad, but you're definitely in for something.
Roll the dice and find out.
You will get custom emojis that we have made for you.
You get some inside scoop.
Yeah, you get some pictures and status updates that are behind the scenes.
And a personal live stream.
The members only live streams and chats. This is where you get to know us better and we get to know you. Not sure if that's a good thing.
This is where all hell breaks loose.
And if you've seen some of our other live streams, you know that they can be really fun. We even have themes.
Yeah. Like, the fat guy fell out of his wheelchair again theme.
Or the oops, the toga mishap theme.
Oh no. I hope my toga don't fall.
And all those kind of things. So if you like a little bit more rowdy crowd, then the Voyagers are for you.
Don't forget, you might get a glossy 5x7 of me in a toga.
You never know what prizes you'll get.
Upon request only.
Oh my goodness. But seriously, if you like the little bit rowdier crowd, come join the Voyagers.
Get the membership.
But if not, we're cool with that too. We love everybody. Well, almost.
There's this one guy from high school I really don't love.
But basically, we love all you guys, okay?
Everybody else, you're cool.
Anyway, thank you guys, and we hope to see you in a live stream, watching a video, something on the road. Definitely on the road. We hope to see you on the road.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again.
I said the wrong thing. Here he is singing
Going
again.
places that I never see again.
Okay, you might even get serenaded too.
I can't wait to get on the road again. Wow, now, wow, now, wow.
Anyway, thank you guys, and we love you. Bye.